What's up YouTube? Welcome to the channel. My name is Fareed, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install and use the Nami wallet. Alright, so for those of you who don't know, Nami is a browser-based wallet that allows you to interact with the Cardano blockchain. Before I show you guys how to install this extension, I want to highlight three key features about the Nami wallet. The first is that the Nami wallet allows you to send and receive ADA, which is the Cardano token, as well as Cardano native assets. And so any coins or tokens that you have that are built on the Cardano blockchain can be sent or received using Nami. The second key feature about Nami is that it's non-custodial. And so what this means is that you have complete control over all of the assets within your wallet. This is really huge for decentralization. The third key feature about the Nami wallet is that it's open source and completely free to use, and so you'll never have to pay a dime to use this extension. Now that we understand Nami a little bit better, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So in order to install the Nami wallet extension, we're going to navigate to namiwallet.io. From the front page of their website, we can see here that Nami is supported on Chrome, Brave, and Edge. For today's tutorial, I'm going to be using Chrome. Please keep in mind that regardless of which browser you're using, all the steps that we'll be covering should apply. One other thing to keep in mind is that from this front page, there is an FAQ section. And so if you have any questions about what Nami is, how to add collateral, or how to stake and delegate, you can find those answers here as well. Next, I'm going to click on this Chrome icon to download the extension. From the Chrome Web Store, I'm going to click on Add to Chrome, and then I'll confirm that I want to add the extension. And so that'll take a second here to download and install. There we go. Now that it's done, I'm actually going to go ahead and pin the extension to my browser. So in order to do that, I'm going to click on this extension button here. And then I'll click on the pin icon next to the Nami wallet. And there we go. The Nami wallet is ready for use. So to open the wallet up, I'm going to click on this icon. And I'm going to be prompted to either import an existing wallet or create a new wallet. So I'm actually going to click on the new wallet since that's what we want to do today. And then I'll be prompted to accept the terms of use. If you want to read the terms of use, you can actually click on this link here. For now, I'm just going to continue. Next, I am given my seed phrase. The seed phrase is going to be the master key to your wallet. So you want to make sure that you write this down and keep it in a safe place. I do not recommend taking any pictures of it or storing it online. And please just do keep in mind that if you lose this, you will lose complete control or complete access to your wallet. So now I'm going to go ahead and write this down, and then we'll continue. Okay, now that we have our seed phrase written down, I'm going to go ahead and just confirm that I've got it stored in a secure place, and then I'll click next. I'm then going to be asked to re-enter 4 of those seed phrase words, so I'll go ahead and enter those now. And then I'll click next to continue. And this is actually the very last step before we create the wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and give it an account name and then a password. And we are now ready to create our wallet. Because I've shared my seed phrase with you guys, I'm actually going to be using a separate wallet for the rest of this tutorial. But at this time, you can click on the create button to continue. And so I'm going to go ahead and switch wallets, and then we'll go ahead and pick right back up with the tutorial. Now that our wallet has been created, let's take a look at some of its features. At the top of the wallet, I can see the total amount of ADA, as well as the USD equivalent. As you guys can see right now, I'm pretty broke, but that's okay. Right below that, I have the ability to receive ADA into this wallet. If I click on this option, I'm given a QR code that I can scan with a mobile device. I can also copy the wallet address by clicking anywhere within this white text here. Once I've funded my wallet with ADA, I have the ability to send ADA to other addresses by using the send option. from the send option menu, I can provide the address where I want to send my ADA to. I can also provide the total amount of ADA I want to send. And if I have any Cardano native assets or NFTs that I want to send in addition to the ADA, I can do so by using this assets option. Lastly, I can provide an optional message if I choose to before sending the transaction. So that covers how to receive and send ADA into our newly created wallet. Next, I want to talk about the assets section at the very bottom. This section here displays ADA as well as the Cardano native assets that we might hold within our wallet. Right now, since our wallet is empty, it's telling me that I have no assets. To the right of our assets, we have our collectibles. And this section here normally displays our NFTs. Again, since our wallet is empty, it's telling us that we have no collectibles. To the right of that, we have our transaction history. As we can see here, I sent about 400 ADA into this wallet a week ago, and I actually sent that ADA to a separate wallet afterwards. If you want to find out the transaction details, you can actually expand the transaction by using this arrow here to the right. And this is going to show you the timestamp and the date in which the transaction occurred. And then you can also see the actual transaction details by clicking on the transaction link. So that covers the main layout of the wallet. The next thing I want to touch on are the settings. So in order to navigate to the settings, we're going to click on our avatar here at the top right hand corner of the wallet. And then we're going to come down to the settings section. From here we have three main sections, starting off with general settings. From here we have the ability to change the name of our wallet. We can also generate a new avatar. We can toggle between the light and dark themes. And then for those of you who are in European countries, or for those of you who use euros, you also have the ability to toggle to show your balances between USD and euros. At the very bottom here, we have this reset wallet link. Clicking on this link here is actually going to log you out of the wallet. And if you want to log back in, you're going to have to use the import feature that we talked about earlier. So that covers the general settings. Next, we have whitelisted sites. This particular section here would show any sites that our wallet has access to. Right now, we can see that there are no whitelisted sites, but normally when we want to interact with a decentralized application, we have to connect our wallet. And once we connect our wallet, that particular site that we've connected to would be listed here. The third section within our settings is the network section. This particular section here gives us the ability to toggle between the mainnet and the testnet. One thing to keep in mind here is that the wallet address stays the same regardless of which network you're using. And so always make sure to double check that you're on the correct network before sending or receiving any ADA. All right, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you guys were able to find some of this information to be helpful. If you did, please make sure to tap that like button. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to stay up to date. And if you have any questions or comments, please make sure to leave them down below. With that said, I'll see you guys in the next video.